To practice like that is the perfect discipline. In general, the lower teachings are contained within the upper. This is known by all, and there are valid scriptures and reasonings showing just this. In mantra, as well, to receive the 4 empowerments you must keep the mantric precepts. With the samaya of the Guru, the embodiment of the 3 supreme ones, you become a supreme upholder of the threefold refuge. It may be said that engaging in union is impure conduct, and therefore in conflict with the vows. However, by not grasping at one's partner as mine, but seeing him or her as divine, by realizing the partner to be like an illusion, and understanding the true nature of the afflictions to be bliss-emptiness, the act is liberated through skillful means.